starting with very important topic, that is entomology. You will surely get one question on the entomology. So this entomology, I will start with the biological transmission of arthropod-borne disease. So this transmission can be propagative, cyclopropagative or cyclodevelopmental. Okay, what is propagative? Where disease agent only multiplies. Okay, propagate means multiplies and cyclo means developmental changes in the body. In the cyclodevelopmental, only cyclical changes is there. Okay, and cyclopropagative contains cyclo and propagative both. So it is cyclical change as well as multiplication both. So in the propagative, plague bacilli in rat flea, it simply multiplies. Yellow fever virus in Aedes, it simply multiplies. In the cyclodevelopmental, filarial worm in the culex, it changes form. Developmental is there. Guinea worm embryo in cyclops, it goes cyclodevelopmental changes. In the cyclopropagative, both the changes are there. For example, the malaria parasite in anopheles mosquito, there are changes in the numbers as in the structure. So these are propagative, cyclodevelopmental and cyclopropagative stages. Coming on, what diseases are transmitted by whose vectors? Okay, for example, housefly, basically for diarrheal and dysenterical diseases, as well as polio, yaws, anthrax and trachoma. Okay, these are the diseases spread by the housefly. By the sandfly, called Phlebotomus argentipus, Kala-Azar is transmitted. Oriental sore, cutaneous leishmaniasis or sandfly fever or Oroya fever is transmitted. Okay. By the CC fly, Glossina falpalis, sleeping sickness of the Africa or called African trypanosomiasis is spread. Redweed bug, Triatomai bug, responsible for the Chagas disease, sleeping sickness of America or American trypanosomiasis. Okay. Black fly is simulum, it's called river blindness, onchocerciasis, and there are two ticks, soft tick and hard tick, very important ticks. This soft tick causes relapsing fever, Q fever and Casson's forest disease outside the India. Hard tick, Casson's forest disease in India, tularemia, babesiosis, tick paralysis, tick encephalitis, tick hemorrhagic fever, Indian tick typhus and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Okay, Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Okay, hard tick spreads more disease than the soft tick, and you see that in this Q fever, it is also usually not in humans by these soft ticks. Okay, it is actually in the animals. Coming on louse spread epidemic typhus, trench fever and relaxing fever. So relaxing fever is from louse as well as from the soft tick. Okay, mite, scrub typhus, rickettsial pox and itch mite is also there, which cause scabies. Okay, flea, rat flea transmit plague or murine typhus. Anopheles mosquito, malaria and sometimes filaria outside India. Culex mosquito, Bancrofton paralysis, Japanese encephalitis, West Nile fever and viral arthritis. Okay, so this Japanese encephalitis is related with the Culex. Okay, Aedes is a yellow fever, not in India but outside the India. Dengue hemorrhagic fever, chikungunya, Rift Valley fever, filariasis and Zika as well. Okay, so these are the diseases which are transmitted by the Aedes mosquito. So Aedes is very important mosquito, tiger mosquito. Okay, we will study about them in later class. Okay, another is Mansonite mosquito, basically causes filariasis by the myelin filariasis and also chikungunya as well. Okay, now coming on the mosquitoes which are very important to us. Okay, medical importance. This we can see that malaria is transmitted by the Anopheles mosquito, which breed in the clean water, singly laid eggs, which is boat shaped with the lateral floats. Okay, like this, eggs are like that. No siphon tube is present in the larva. Rest parallel to the undersurface of water. This larva is like that. Okay, broad siphon tube, inclined at an angle